Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart Pickup. To get started, you'll want to download the Walmart app on your smartphone or simply visit their website on your computer. Once you have the app or website open, create an account or log in with your existing credentials. Then, it's important to select your preferred Walmart store location, as this is where you will collect your items. This initial step sets you up for a convenient shopping experience. Once you've selected your store, it's time to start shopping. Browse through thousands of products, from fresh produce to household essentials, and add everything you need to your virtual cart. After filling your cart, you'll choose a convenient pickup time slot that works best for your schedule, often available in 1-hour increments. Finally, complete your purchase securely using your preferred online payment method. Always take a moment to review your order for accuracy before confirming. On your scheduled pickup day, you'll receive a notification when your order is ready for collection. Head to your designated Walmart store at your chosen time. Upon arrival, use the Walmart app to check in and notify the staff that you are there. Then, simply park your vehicle in one of the clearly marked pickup spots. A friendly associate will bring your carefully packed order directly to your car, often within just a few minutes, ensuring a quick and contactless handover. To ensure a smooth experience, always double-check your order for completeness before driving away from the pickup lot. Remember, this service is typically free for most orders, offering excellent value and convenience. You'll love the benefit of having a dedicated team do your shopping for you, saving you precious time. Many users report saving approximately 1 hour per shopping trip, allowing you to reclaim valuable moments in your busy day. It's a truly efficient way to shop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.